These animal haircut videos are blowing up right now. One TikTok page has already pulled in nearly 300,000 followers, and every post is hitting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views in this niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them step by step, and yeah, this one took me under 5 minutes. First things first, jump into ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs in the left sidebar, search for Animal Haircut Generator and select mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to launch the generator. It'll ask you to pick an animal and a haircut style. I'm going with a lion and curtain hairstyle, then just let it load. Now the GPT will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for you. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Links in the description. Inside Google Flow, choose Image Generation using Nano Banana 2. Set how many images you want. I'll go with 2. And make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. Paste your first prompt and hit Start. In just a few seconds, you'll get 2 images. Pick the best one. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Nano Banana, and hit Start again. Once your images generate, select the best one. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Switch to video generation and choose VO 3 Fast. Set how many videos you want and keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Here's where it gets interesting. In VO 3.1, you'll see 2 options, start frame and end frame. Upload your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it in, and hit Start. And just like that, your video is ready. That's literally the whole process. Here are a few more videos I created using this exact method. Super simple, super fast, and clearly it works. All the links you need are in the description. And if you want more viral AI content ideas like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.